Hello students. So in the class we have studied about the chapter number 9 of geography, that is the tropical and the subtropical region. Okay. Amazon basin we were studying, flora and fauna we have studied into that, and we already know that the Amazon rainforest is known as the lungs of the world. Why it is known as the lungs of the world? Because maximum trees are found into this forest. About 3 lakh species of plants has been identified, and about 20,000 of the plants are remain undiscovered, remain unidentified, that what type of plant is found over there. So maximum population, maximum criteria of plants are found into this particular region, and as we already know that oxygen is the main thing which is been provided by the plants to us. So what is the flora, what is the fauna which is found into the Amazon rainforest? We were studying in that. That is Mutaba catfish. A giant Amazonian catfish is thought to migrate a distance about 3,300 km from nursery grounds near the south of the Amazon and spawning the grounds of the upper Amazonian. The freshwater fish, one of the largest freshwater fish, that is pirarucu, is also found into this Amazon basin. That is its length is about 5 meters. Okay. Next, survival condition of saltwater creatures have also been adopted the freshwater. That's why the maximum creatures are found into the freshwater region of the Amazon basin. Next, what are the people and settlement into the Amazon basin? We are going to know about that. In Amazon basin, we have studied about the climate also. That what is the climate of the Amazon basin? That is the rain. That is the rainy climate. That is hot and humid climate because it is located at the area of the equator. That's why the maximum rainfall is found over there, and radiations from the heat is received from the sun is during the 12 hours a day. 12 hours a day a particular radiation is been they are getting from the sun. The particular area is getting from the sun. Next, people and settlement. The people who live in these thick jungles have to live in a small cluster and survive on hunting and forest produce. We are knowing this very well that maximum hunting production, hunting and small cluster people are living into the small clusters, and hunting has been done by these people for their survival, and they are mostly dependent on the forest produce. They have been basically involved in hunting and fishing of meat, and fishing for meat, fruits and edible fruits. So the people who are living into the Amazonian rainforest, they are maximum dependent on the fishing. They are dependent on the hunting to get the meat, and also they are dependent on the forest produce to survive into that jungle, into that forest. The primary crop have been, that is the tapioca, which is the primary crop which is found into the Amazon rainforest, and pineapple, sweet potato, coffee and maize. They used to do slash and burn type of agriculture, means jhum agriculture, or we can say that the burning agriculture they are used to do that into the Amazon basin. Due to excessive rain, the houses are either built with a thatched roof and shaped like a beehive. Maximum houses are made in a thatched roof and it is shaped like a beehive, and the other larger houses is also known as malokas, have slanting roof. The malokas have the slanting roof which is found into these regions. Okay. It is made up of wood, and it has the slanting roof by which the rainfall which is going on into that particular region, the that water gets slant down from the house, from that hut. Next, In some places, where flooding and waterlogging is common, people have houses on stilts and wells. The dwelling are assessed mostly by the navigating over the river water, and the boats are there are no roads. Into the Amazon basin, into the Amazon area, Amazon rainforest, there are no roads. That's why the people used to move from one place to another with the help of the boat. And maximum housing boats means boats which is made on which house has been made. Maximum this type of houses you will find into the Amazon basin area. Next, what is the impact of the modernization into this area? That is, the scene of Amazon basin is changing fast. Forests are being cutting down just because for the agriculture and also for the construction work, and therefore the airport, for the helipad, for the road constructions, these Amazon rainforests are the trees of these forests are cutting down again and again, and mining and exploration is also going on into that basin area. That's why it caused the loss of environment, it caused the loss of trees into that particular region. At the pace of the deforestation, maximum deforestation is taking place. 50% of the Amazon rainforest has been cleared according to the scientific report. 50% of the Amazon rainforest will be cleared in 2025. Only 50% will be remaining, and it means that the oxygen that we say that it is the lung of the world, it means that half of the lung is being destroyed by the human beings. Next, just as the corona infection, just like the COVID infection is done into our lungs, in the same way human beings are affecting the forest, they are destroying the forest, the deforestation is going on just because for the construction, and it also causes the environmental pollution. It increases the environmental pollution. Next, the way of life and survival is being disturbed. Huge forest fires are common in these and in this sense, in large quantity of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Up here. Just because of the forest fire, a large quantity of carbon dioxide is being sent into the atmosphere, by which our atmosphere is also getting polluted. Into the previous year, you have seen the news related to the Amazon rainforest that the fire has been caught into that particular area, and also you have seen into the Australian news also that maximum flora and fauna are got destroyed just because of that fire. And it also polluted that particular environment. There was the particular people who are living into that area, they are not able to breathe, they are not able to survive over there. That's why they just remove themselves from that forest and shifted themselves into the safer area. And that type of pollution has been caused just because of the burning of the fire. Next, burning of the forest. In recent times, warmer temperature and less rainfall have caused severe drought into the Amazon basin. The Amazon suffered the worst drought in the last 100 years, that is in 2005 to 2010. 2005 and 2010. In 2005 and 2010, the basically drought has been caused into the Amazon rainforest was just because of the less of the rainfall. Next, long dry spells affect the crops and fisheries as well as led to the forest fire. Now, we are going to know about the Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. Ganga-Brahmaputra river together forms the large part of the great North Indian plains. The Ganga and Brahmaputra are two mighty rivers that flow parallel on either side of the Himalayas. We can say that the Ganga and Brahmaputra are the major tributaries, which are the major rivers which have so many tributaries into our country, which used to make a particular area fertile. And maximum agriculture is done into the plain area from where these these rivers and its tributaries are flowing down. Next, they originate from the Himalayas and empty into the Bay of Bengal. The Brahmaputra, for the most of its course, Ganga flows through Indian territory, but its large delta is into the Bengal area. The Brahmaputra river, it lies mostly into the Bangladesh. Ganga flows through the Indian territory, but its largest territory is found into the Bengal area, and the Brahmaputra, its area is covered into the Bangladesh. Next, the Brahmaputra is originated. The Ganga is originated from the Greater Himalayas, and the particular glacier is known as Gangotri, while the Brahmaputra is the particular area, the particular point from where Ganga originates, that particular point is known as Gomukh. Okay, and the glacier is known as Gangotri, which is found into the Uttarakhand. Next, the Alaknanda and Bhagirathi river meets at the Dev Prayag and form the Ganga. The volume of the Ganga increases markedly and it receives more tributaries and enters a region in a heavier rainfall. Next, the Brahmaputra originates from the Mansarovar lake that is located into the Tibet, where the Kailash range is located. Into the Kailash range, the Mansarovar lake is there, and it is located into Tibet, and the Brahmaputra used to flow from that, used to come from that. Next, in Tibet, the river is called Sangpo. Brahmaputra is known as Sangpo into the Tibet region, and into the Bangladesh, and also into the India. When it gets entered into the India, then it is known as Brahmaputra. Next, it takes a turn towards the west and enters Assam and then enters into the Bangladesh, whether it joins the river Ganga. Next, the basin has a variety of terrain as comprised of the semi-arid valley and a rain shadow north of the Himalayas, densely forest mountains south of the Gangetic Plain, central highlands and Gangetic Plain have plateau hills and mountains intersected by valleys and river plains. Okay, the important soil types are found in the basin are sand, loam, clay, and their combination of such sandy, loamy, and silty clay, etc. These type of soils are found into the Ganga region. When these rivers used to flow down, they form these type of soils, by which the combination of these soils is helpful for that agriculture. Climate. What is the climate of this particular region? That is lying in the monsoon type of climate is found into this region. The summers are very hot and winters are very cold. And heavy rain in June to August. In June to August, there is a heavy rain into the plain area where we are living, and into the summer it is very hot summer, and into the winter, that is a very cold winter. Next, plants and animal world. What is the plants found into these regions and what is the animals found into these regions? We will know about it into the next video. Up to this, you revise this into your mind, and the PDF will be provided on the WhatsApp. The question answers will be provided on the WhatsApp. Write it down into your copy and learn it properly. Thank you so much.